Hi guys, June 25th is National Strawberry Parfait Day. So I'm going to show you how I make a strawberry parfait. You can make it any way you want, but this is how I make it. So let's get making it because Boo's hungry. He wants to eat. Okay, this is everything you're going to need for a strawberry parfait our way. We have some vanilla yogurt. We got a crunchy granola bar, and I'll explain what that's for. Strawberries and whipped cream. We have a bowl, and a spoon, and a spoon. So let's make this so Boo can be happy. Okay. Let's stir up the yogurt a little bit. And I do have Walmart brand, and Walmart is not sponsoring this video. This is just, the stuff is cheaper with the prices of everything going up. Yeah. Sorry, I gotta go to store brand, which I don't mind. Alright, so I put a little bit of yogurt on the bottom. Now I'm going to take some strawberries. I think I'm going to go ahead and cut them up a little bit more. And I'll put a layer of diced strawberries. Kind of do a whole little layer. I probably did cut up too many strawberries, but that's okay because this is what I do. Yummy. Okay, so I've got a layer. Now I'm going to put a little bit more. If you had a glass dish, it would come out and look really pretty, but I'm not using a glass. I'm using the bowl. Alright, so I just put a thin layer there. Take the rest of the strawberries, and I'm going to leave these ones whole. You don't necessarily have to put Cool Whip on it, or whipped cream. I do. Now I take this granola bar, beat the crap out of it. And you put a little bit of granola around the top. That's a big piece. Oh, now I'm making a mess. So, voila. Happy Strawberry Parfait Day. I hope you make a parfait and eat it and love it. If you want to try this recipe, it's very simple and easy. Alright guys, if I haven't told you lately, thank you for being here and I love you all. Bye.